What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer money from Botim to bank account. So, you might be wondering, how do you exactly transfer money from Botim to bank account here? This one is fairly easy. So, first things first is you want to open the Botim app and just log in. So, in this case, you want to launch the Botim app on your phone and make sure you're logged in into your correct account, the one linked to your wallet. Now, if you're not logged in yet, enter your phone number or credentials and complete any verification steps needed. Now, once you're inside the app, look at the bottom navigation menu and tap on Me. Now, this section is where your profile settings are, wallet, and other account-related features are actually located. Now, you want to tap on Wallet. Now, inside the Me section, select the Wallet option. This will show your current wallet balance, recent transactions, and options for adding or withdrawing money. Now, choose the Withdraw option. Now, tap on Withdraw to begin the transfer process. So this is the feature that lets you send money from your Botim wallet directly to your bank account. Now, you'll be asked to enter some important information, especially your IBAN, international bank account number, or any other required banking details. Now, make sure everything is entered correctly, as even a small mistake could delay or prevent the transfer. And finally, just confirm the transaction and wait for the processing. Now, once you've entered the bank details, review everything carefully and tap to confirm the transaction. Botim will begin processing your request, and transfers might take a little time depending on your bank, but you should receive confirmation once it's actually complete. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.